Extended Characters Table. Last time, we have learned 25 Chinese characters. These 25 characters are divided into 5 columns. The first column, 5 characters, all start writing from HeChin. The second column, 5 characters, all start writing from Su. The third column, 5 characters, all have cross inside. These 5 characters start writing from Pie. These 5 characters start writing from dot. The fifth column, 5 characters, are related to water and fire. Fourth 5 characters are related to people and animal. These 5 characters are about earth, ground, and plants. These 5 characters are about frames, up frame, down frame, cell frame, cell frame. These 5 characters are about frame, left frame, right frame, side frame, left frame, and right frame put together. These 25 characters compose around 300 Chinese words. Now we are going to learn the big table, extended character table. It includes 183 characters and components. These 183 characters and components composed 30,000 and more Chinese words. This big table is extended from the simple 25 characters. Now we are going to explain how it gets extended. We already know stroke HeChinese code is 11. 11, 11, 11, 11. Now we add a modification to the strokes. Like this, like this, like this. This one looks like a long HeChin, but break in the middle. This looks like long HeChin, but break in the middle. Long HeChin, break in the middle. And same, long HeChin, but break in the middle. We called these 4 strokes are extended from HeChin by breaking. In Chinese is 折. Yeah. If we get rid of the second part, it all back to HeChin. So we called these 4 strokes are extended from HeChin by break. HeChin stroke and all its extensions are all put together in the extended table here. They all have same code of 11. We already know the vertical stroke Su's code is 21, 21, 21, 21, and 21. Now we add modification to this stroke. Modification to this stroke. This stroke looks like long line, but break in the middle. Long line, but break in the middle. Long line, break in the middle. Long line, but break in the middle. We call these 4 strokes are extended from Su by break. If we get rid of second part of this stroke, all are back to Su. So we put Su and his extensions together in the table here. Then all have same code of 2-1. Cross has a code of 3-1, 3-1, 3-1, 3-1, 3-1, 3-1. Now we add a modification to these characters. Yeah, this, like this, like this, like this, and break, and also is another break. So we say all these characters are extended from Hensu cross by breaking. We put all these characters together in the extended table here. Then all have same code of 3-1. Now let's look at 1-3. 1-3 is right frame. If we get rid of the break, the right frame will become Hensu. Hensu 1-3, 1-3, 1-3, 1-3. Now let's add some modification to these characters. One break, 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 added break like this, like break like this, add break like this, like a break like this. All these characters are extended from this by break. So all these characters have same code of 1-3. 1-4 is side frame. This is side frame, 1-4, 1-4. Now we add a break to these characters, like added break like this, like added break like this, add break like this. So all these characters are extended from the side frame by break, and then all have same code of 1-4. Inside of 1-4, we have another set of characters. This set of characters are all related with U, this character. U, 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 U. If we get rid of part of it, get rid of part of it, get rid of part of it, and add a little more here, this will form another characters. They are all related with these characters and all have same code of 1-4. This is 1-5. Left frame, right frame put together. This is 1-5, but we extend it to the bottom. 1-5, but we extended it with a break. This is 1-5. We extended this with a break. So this is new characters. All are related with this one and have same code as 1-5.